Hi, my name is Eric Nielsen. I'm the lead videographer and producer in the Office of Communications and Public Affairs at the University of Maryland, Baltimore. With so many of us teleworking and using our webcams in meetings, I wanted to share a few tips with you on how you can make your online presence go from this to this.
Let's first select the room that we want to work from. Try to pick a room that you know will be quiet and that you're comfortable in. Let's go with this one. If you've chosen a room with a window, try to avoid this. The camera will automatically try to expose for the windows and your audience won't be able to see you very well. It's unflattering and distracting. Try turning everything around so the light from the window lights your face.
If you don't have a window in your room, grab a couple of lamps.
The height of your camera will greatly affect the way you are seen by others. Too low and the audience can see up your nose. Too high doesn't look right either. At about eye level should do the trick. Now let's take a look at how you'll be positioned in front of the camera. You don't want to be too close or too far away. A happy medium with your head and shoulders showing looks about right. A good rule of thumb is to imagine your screen divided into 9 squares. The top horizontal line should cut across your eyes. This framing has you well balanced in the frame without too much empty space above your head. Finally, pay close attention to what others may see behind you. Sometimes things in the background can be distracting for your audience. That's better.
And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can make a positive change on how your audience sees you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the internet.